My name is Lars Peter Levy and I was head of the EU Presidency Communications team in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, coordinating the communications efforts during the Danish presidency. We've been very satisfied with the whole presidency and the running of it, and also the host broadcast services and the materials that we put out for the use of international press, but also other users and people who wanted to follow the presidency, our activities and the informal meetings here in Denmark. I think we had a very good cooperation. We had a very close cooperation between the presidency and the host broadcaster, and there was also some activities where we needed flexibility, and that was as we expected, and there's been a lot of flexibility. We've been able to change things overnight and also add elements, add microphones, put in new activities very quickly, so we've been pleased with the flexibility, which is also needed during a presidency, because you always discover things you didn't plan at the outset when you started thinking about what it should be and how the service should be and what should be provided. So it's been very useful with the flexibility during the presidency. I think we had a good cooperation. I think the people working with Best Flow Factory knows the host broadcast job and has good experience from earlier, and also done a good job on the presidency. So I can recommend our good cooperation.